भद्रं कर्णेभिः शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैस्तुष्टुवांसस्तनूभिः व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायण सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। प्रज्ञानां शुप्रतानैः स्थिरचरनिकर व्यापिभिर्व्याप्य लोकान् भुक्त्वा भोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पुनरपि धिषणोद्भासितान् कामजन्यान् पीत्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् स्वपिति मधुरभुं मायया भोजयन्नो मायासङ्ख्यातुरीयं परममृतमजं ब्रह्म यत्तन्नतोऽस्मि। यो विश्वात्मा विदिजविषयान् प्राश्यभोगान् स्थविष्ठान् पश्चाच्चान्यान् स्वमतिविभवान् ज्योतिषा स्वेन सूक्ष्मान् सर्वानेतान् पुनरपि शनैः स्वात्मनि स्थापयित्वा हित्वा सर्वान् विशेषान् विगतगुणगणः पात्वसौ नस्तुरीयः। पेज नंबर 144, 11th कारिका. Only tippani, 1 or 2 tippanis we have to see. See tippani number 2, 144 page number. ननु युष्मत् प्रकरणे श्रुति साम्याभावात् कथम ऐकमत्यम, कथम ऐक्यमत्यम ने ऐकमत्यम, that is not correct. कथम ऐकमत्यम तयोः इति आशंका है. युष्मत् प्रकरण, युष्मत् means अनात्मा. As far as anatma is concerned, shruti samya abhavat. All shrutis, they are not consistent about jagat srishti. Creation is different in different shrutis. It is presented differently. Katham aikamatyam. How is there one mata? Not aikyam. Eka mata. As far as srishti is concerned. कथम ऐकमत्यम तयोः इति आशंक्य आह आत्ममाया विसर्जितः इति उक्तम्. They are created from Atma Maya, means that creation is Maya, illusory, and therefore there is no consistency required. When there is illusory creation, it can be something here, something there, something elsewhere. There need not be consistency. Consistency is required only if there is truth in it. If it is Maya creation, consistency is not needed. Third number tippani, Purusha Buddhi iti. See, Maya means falsehood. Person who speaks falsehood. He can say one thing today, another thing tomorrow, third thing. He can say, why? He is speaking false. Person who speaks the truth, everywhere he will speak the truth. So, Atma or Brahma is same in all Upanishad. Srishti is different in different Upanishads. What does that tell you? Brahma is Satyam, Jagat is Mithya. Purusha Buddhi iti Buddhi Janaka Pramanam Indriyam Tadgamyah. Purusha Buddhi, this Shabda over there in Bhashya, Purusha Buddhi Pramanagamya. So Purusha Buddhi means Paurushaya. Purusha Buddhi Janaka Pramanam Indriyam Tadgamya. Yadva means or athva Purusha Buddhi Udbhavitam Pramanam Anatma Shastram Tadgamya. Purusha Buddhi Udbhavitam is Purusha Buddhi Udbhavitam Pramanam is Anatma Shastra. Or whatever Shastra that talks about Atma is different from Brahman is all Anatma Shastra. Tadgamya. That will be called Purusha Buddhi Pramana Gamya. So if somebody says Atma is Karta, Bhokta, if somebody says Atma is Drishya, Ahankara, Samsari, all of that is Anatma. So then that Shastra is Anatma Shastra. So now what is the main thing in this first Karika, 11th Karika that we saw? 11th Karika said that because Jiva is Brahma. See, what Shruti he is using, you pay attention to that part. We have to see how Gaudapadacharya is thinking. What does he want to prove in this Karika, 11 to 14? What does he want to prove? With the help of Shruti, that there is no Utpatti of Jiva. Jiva does not have Utpatti, Sthiti, Laya, Sansaranam, Sukha Dukha, ityadi. Correct? This is what he wants to prove. What is the means to adopt? Which Shruti I should use to show that Jiva does not have Utpatti. Jiva does not have Sansaranam. I should sit in the position of Acharya and think, what is he trying to do? He wants to prove, see, if you want to read, you see previous one, right? Previous Bhashya you see, the beginning of 11th Bhashya. Utpatyadi varjitasya advayasya asya atmatatvasya Shruti pramanakatva pradarshanaartham vakyani upanyasyante. So, Utpatyadi Varjita Advaya Atma Tattva, what Shruti Pramana is required to show Atma Tattva is Advitiya. So, he could have quoted that Shruti where it is said Atma is Advitiya. That is quoted in this Upanishad itself. Shantam Shivam Advaitam Chaturtham Manyante Sa Atma Savitiya. What he is doing is, he is showing Jiva Brahma Aikya Shruti. This is what we have to note. With the help of Jiva Brahma Aikya Shruti, he shows because Brahma does not have Utpatti, therefore Jiva does not have Utpatti. Brahma does not have Sansarana, therefore Jiva does not have Sansarana. This is his idea. See further in Tika. This is another point you have to note from Tikakara. Manushyaham, Pranyaham, Pramataham, Kartaham, Bhoktaham iti Panchanam Vishishtanam Yadekam Swarupam Anugatam Pratyak Chaitanyam Tad Brahmaiva iti Jiva Parayo Raikye Taittiriya Shrutehe Tatparyam Uktva Tatraiva Brahadaranyaka Shruterapi Tatparyam Ah. Previous Karika talked about Panchakosha, Rasadayo hi Ekosha. Now, something that the Tikakar could have written in previous Karika. This first line, Manusyoham, this is Annamaya Kosha. Praniyaham, Pranamaya Kosha. Pramataham, Manomaya Kosha, or you can say Vijnanamaya, Manomaya he puts. Kartaham, Vijnanamaya Kosha, Bhoktaham, Anandamaya Kosha. Correct? So 5 koshas, he has put them Pancha kosha with the identification with each. What happens? That is given. 6 number tippani says Pratiyamanana Panchanam Vishishtana Yad Ekam Swarupam Anugatam Pratyak Chaitanyam Tad Brahmayava. In all of them, that which is one consistently present is Pratyak Chaitanyam, that is Brahma. Eva iti Jiva Parayoho Aikye Taitiriya Shrutehe Tatparyam Uktva. Now this line he could have written in the previous Karika, right? So sometimes what happens, I think this way. Let's say I am writing a Tika. I wrote Tika about one shloka. Then I remembered, oh, I could have written something more on that. Okay. So in the next Tika, next shloka, I will write, in the previous shloka, he wrote all these things. That's what he has done. Because 12th Karika is actually about Brahadaranyaka, right? But he is writing in 12th Karika about 11th Karika, saying Tatparyam Uktva. This is a way, to catch up on something that you wanted to write but you did not write. Jiva Parayoho Aikya. This is the Jiva Brahma Aikya. This is the Taittiriya Shruti Tatparya. Now he says, Brahadaranyaka Shrutehe api tatraiva Tatparyam. Brahadaranyaka Shruti Tatparya is also in that. In that means Jiva Parayoho Aikya. Dvayor madhujnane Param Brahma Prakashitam Divyamudare Chaiva Yathakashah Prakashitah. Dvayor madhujnane. So today in Anubhuti Prakasha, we completed the previous Prakarana, the Maitreyi, Yajnavalkya Maitreyi. Then the next one is Madhu Brahmana. So there, how it is explained, Dvayoho, the pair of two. And what is that pair? Adhyatma and Adhidaiva. Adhidaiva, Adhyatma pair. Means what he is showing is what is there outside is inside. Inside means in this Vyashti is there in Samashti. What is Samashti is Vyashti. So Adhyatma Adhidaiva Aikya. Dvayoho madhujnane. By that Param Brahma Prakashitam. What is revealed through that is Param Brahma. Where Pruthivyam, in Prithvi, Udare Chaiva. Udar means in stomach. What is there in Prithvi is there in my stomach. Means in this Sharira. What is Akasha outside, Akasha inside, in this way. Yatha Akasha Prakashitaha. How Akasha, earlier we showed through Yukti, in that way, Brahma is Prakashita here. How Akasha was revealed. Akasha alone is there in Ghata, Matha, Karaka, ityadi. Like that, Brahma alone is there in Prithvi, Brahma alone is there in Udara. In this way. How Sitika, he explains further. Madhu Brahmane Bahushu Paryayeshu Adhidaiva Adhyatma Vibhaktayoho Sthanayoho Ayameva Saha Iti Param Brahma Pratyak Prakashitam. In Madhu Brahmana, 9 number tippani, Bahushu Paryayeshu Adhidaiva Adhyatma Vibhaktayoho. 9 number tippani you see, Madhu Brahmana. Dvitiyadhyayasya Panchame Brahmane. द्वितीय अध्याय इन बृहदारण्यक, फिफ्थ ब्राह्मण इज मधु ब्राह्मण. इयं पृथिवी सर्वेषां भूतानां मध्वस्यैव पृथिव्यै सर्वाणि भूतानि मधु यश्चायं पृथिव्यां तेजोमयो अमृतमय पुरुषः यश्चायमध्यात्मं शारीरस्तेजोमयो अमृतमय पुरुषो अयमेव सः योऽयम् आत्मा इदमृतम् इदं ब्रह्म इदं सर्वम् इति एवम् आदिरूपः इत्यर्थः. So this is the mantra they have quoted. Mantra says, Iyam Prithvi Sarvesham Bhutanam Madhu. This Prithvi is Madhu here. Madhu literally means honey. Honey means that which is sweet. So, Anand, that which gives Anand or Jivana, life. Sarvesham Bhutanam Madhu. This Prithvi is Madhu for all. Asyai Prithvyai Sarvani Bhutani Madhu. And for the Prithvi, Asyai Prithvyai, Chaturthi. So all bhutas are madhu. Means Jiva depends upon Prithvi, all bhutas depend upon Prithvi, Prithvi depends upon all bhutas. Yashchayam Prithivyam, whatever is there in this Prithvi, Tejomaya, Amrutamaya, Purusha. Yashchayam Adhyatmam, Shariraha, Tejomaya, Amrutamaya, Purusha. What is there in Prithvi is there in this Sharira. That is this Purusha. And what is it? Ayameva saha. Yo ayam atma idam amritam idam brahma idam sarvam. This is amrita, this is brahma, this is all. So this Purusha which is in Prithvi, which is in Sharira, is amritam, brahma, sarvam. This is what is revealed there. So Vishishta earlier 7 number tippani said Dehadi Vishishta Chaitanya. That Dehadi Vishishta Chaitanya alone expresses here Swarupam Anugatam Visheshya Bhutam. Chaitanya is Visheshya and all Vishishta are Annamaya, Pranamaya, Manomaya. That was in the previous Karika. Because that Aham is common. Manusyoham, Praniyaham, Sankalpa Vikalpavanaham, Kartaham, Bhoktaham. So Aham is Visheshya. Manusya, Prani, Ityadi, they are Visheshanas. That was 7 and 8 number Tippani. 9 number also we saw. So my objective is all Tippanis, entire Tika, Bhashya, Tika and Tippani. All Tippanis in Mandukya we will cover as much as possible. Ato asmin brahadaranyak shruterappi brahmatmaikye tatparyam ityartha. Therefore, in Brahadaranyaka Shruti also, tatparya is only in Brahmatma Aikya. 10 number Tippani says, Ataha means Ekasyaiva Sputa Vidhanat. One alone is clearly mentioned. Ekasyaiva Sputa Vidhan. Sputa means clear. Clearly one alone is talked about. So in Brahadaranyaka Shruti also, now you see Brahadaranyaka Upanishad is so big. Correct? In Taittiriya Upanishad, Shikshavalli is Upasanas and Bhruguvalli after in the initial portion is again Upasana. And what is revealed in Bhruguvalli is already covered in Brahmananda. So the Brahmananda Valli Tatparya, you can say is the Tatparya of Taittiriya Upanishad. But in Brahadaranyaka, so many small episodes are there. And you cannot say Madhu Brahmana, what is discussed in Madhu Brahmana is Tatparya of Brahadaranyaka Upanishad. So, Madhu Brahmana is taken only as a sample. But Maitreyi Brahmana, Ajatashatru Brahmana, prior to that, the Vidya Sutra discussion, Mahavakya Vichara, and then later also, the 4th chapter in particular, Swayam Jyoti Brahmana, Shariraka Brahmana, all of them, their Tatparya is in Brahma Atma Aikya. So this is only taken as one sample because all are completely distinct as far as their teaching prakriya is concerned. So these things we should think. Okay, he has just written keeping in mind what he wanted to convey. We have to analyze other aspects, try to see why he said this, what is said, what is not said, etc. Pruthivyam. Pruthivyam udare chaiva. This is said in the second line of the Karika. Yatha akasha prakashita. Tika. Na kevalam. There is a correction here. Na kaivala matmaikye. It says what? Kaivala maikye. Kaivala maikye, that word will not be proper. Na kaivalam atma aikye taittiriya shrutehe eva tatparyam. Not kaivalam, kevalam. That another correction. One matra also you have to remove. Na kevalam atma aikye taittiriya shrutehe eva tatparyam. Only Taittiriya Shruti has Tatparyam in Atma Aikya is not true. Then Brahadaranyaka Shruti hai api Atma Aikya Kevala Tatparyam. Their Tatparyam is also in Atma Aikya alone. Ityaha Kincha. Kincha Adhidaivam Adhyatmam cha Tejomayo Amrutamaya Purushaha. पृथिव्यादि अंतर्गतो यो विज्ञाता पर एव आत्मा ब्रह्म सर्वम इति द्वयोर्द्वयोर आद्वैतक्षयात् परम ब्रह्म प्रकाशितम. सीधी लाइन. किंच अधिदैवम अध्यात्मम च. व्हाट इज देयर इन अधिदैव, व्हाट इज देयर इन अध्यात्म. अधिदैवम अध्यात्मम च तेजोमयो अमृतमय पुरुषः. Tejomaya, by saying this, it is Chaitanya Rupa. It is not Jada. Amritamaya means it is Nitya, Satswarupa. And Purushaha means it is Purna, Purnatvad Purusha. Tejomaya, Amritamaya, Purushaha, these three indicate Chaitanya, Sat, and Ananta. Tejomaya, Amritamaya, Purusha means this. Anywhere you need Satyam, Jnanam, Anantam somehow. Whether you use Satyam, Jnanam, Anantam, you say Tejomaya, Amritamaya, Purusha. Pruthivyadi Antargato, that which is there in Prithvi, etc. Prithvi Adi because some 16 paryayas are given, I think. Prithvi, Akasha, Vayu, Jalam, Agni, Surya, Chandrama, Indriya, all Indriyas will be given. Virya, I think so many paryayas are there. In all of them, Tejomaya, Amritamaya, Purusha. Prithvyadi Antargato Yogignata, Para eva Atma, that is Paramatma alone. Para eva Atma, Brahma, Sarvam, iti. Dvayor, two. Dvayoho, in the two. Dvayoho is in both. Is Saptami Dvivachana, not Shashti Dvivachana. Dvayoho. Up to what point? The Advaita Kshayat. Until the Dvaita ends. Means until you go on seeing duality, you say in both, in this. Advaita Kshayat. Param Brahma Prakashitam. Param Brahma is revealed. Tika. अधिदैवम पृथिव्यादावध्यात्मं च शरीरे तेजोमयो ज्योतिर्मयश्चैतन्य प्रधानो अमृतमयो अमरणधर्मा पुरुषः पूर्णः. पृथिव्यादौ शरीरे च अंतर्गतो यो विज्ञाता सः पर एव आत्मा. अधिदैवम पृथिव्यादौ अध्यात्मम शरीरे. In Prithvi, Adidaiva. Means in Mahabhuta and Jagat, it will be Adidaiva. And in Sharira, Adhyatma. शरीरे तेजोमयो ज्योतिर्मय चैतन्य प्रधानो अमृतमयो अमरण धर्मा. So tejomayo means jyotirmaya, chaitanya pradhan. Amrutamayo means amarana dharma. So no mrityu, satya. Purusha means purna. So chaitanya, nitya and purna. पृथिव्यादौ शरीरे च अंतर्गतो. In पृथ्वी and शरीर. पृथिव्यादौ सप्तमी, शरीरे सप्तमी च. अंतर्गत यो विज्ञाता, that knower is sa parayava atma. So now in Sharira there is Atma that we can understand. In Prithvi there is Atma. How do we understand? In Prithvi also Atma is present as Sadrupa. In Adhidaiva Chaitanya is present as Sat. And in Sharira Panchakosha it is present as Chit. So in this way Sat Chit. That's why in Drisha Viveka, the Dhyana Prakriya, how it was explained, the external thing is Hridiva Bahya Deshe Api Yasmin Kasmisha Vastuni Samadhiradhya Sanmatrat Nama Rupa Pratakriti. Just as in Hridi, means in Antakarana, Hridiva Bahya Deshe Api. In Bahya Desha, Yasmin Kasmisha Vastuni. Any object you take, Yasmin Kasmisha Vastuni. Samadhi, Drishyanuvidya, Shabdanuvidya. Samadhi Adya Sanmatra Nama Rupa Pradhakriti. From Sat Matra, Nama Rupa you remove. So any object if you take, let's say this Ghata. So in this Sat, Ghata Nama, Ghata Rupa. Sat is there. That's why it is Ghato Asti. This is Sat. So you remove Ghata Nama, Ghata Rupa. Because there how it is explained, अस्ति भाति प्रियम रूपम नाम चैत्यंश पंचकम आद्यत्रयम ब्रह्म रूपम जगद रूपम ततोद्वयम. अस्ति भाति प्रिय is Brahma because every object will have asti, bhati and it is priyam. Everybody remembers this, right? Swamiji. There is one question raised in Vedanta Paribhasha. I think in Tika, not in Moolam, maybe in, I don't remember. That you say Asti Bhati Priyam is there in all. In Dukkham, Asti is there, Bhati is there. Dukkham is not Priyam for anybody. So how will you say Asti Bhati Priyam is there in all? Is it? Dukkha Karanam. What we are looking for, we are not getting that. We are not getting, let's say, some Vishaya. So therefore we are Dukhi. Question is, does Dukkham have Priyam or not? Priyatvam is there or not? If it is not there, how will you say it has all? When we study Vedanta Paribhasha, then we will know. The answer is this. It did not have all five. It has Asti Bhati, that is enough. It has Nama, it has Rupa, so it has Jagat Amsha. It has Asti Bhati, so it has Brahma Amsha, that is enough. You don't have to have Priyam. Dukkham is not Priyam for anybody. If Dukkham was Priyam, Dukkha Nivritti Prayasa would not be there. The very fact that there is effort for Dukkha Nivritti, that shows Dukkham is not Priyam. But it's good how they think, how, from where they pick up something and discuss. Okay. Further you see, I don't know how many of you, some of you already taught Drisha Viveka. So it is a good point to remember when you teach. पृथिव्यादौ शरीरे च अंतर्गतो यो विज्ञाता स परमात्मा तेन स विज्ञाता सर्वं पूर्णम अपरिच्छिन्नम ब्रह्म एव इति परम ब्रह्म प्रकाशितम इति संबंध है। तेन थर्ड नंबर टिप्पणी तेन विज्ञातुः ब्रह्म विशेषणवत्व कथनेन when vignatu brahma visheshanvatva, this vignata is nothing but brahma, tena, so tena is because of such teaching, tena is not because of this vignata, tena, that's, you see, that's why tippani vignatur brahma visheshanvatva kathanena, because such kathanam is, such teaching is there, that vignata is none other than Brahma. By that, what is established? Saha Vijnata Sarvam Purnam Aparichinnam Brahma Eva. This Vijnata is Aparichinna Brahma. And that Vijnata alone is everything. Sarvam. Saha Vijnata Sarvam. Saha Vijnata Purnam Aparichinnam Brahma Eva. Iti Param Brahma Prakashitam iti Sambandha. In this way, Param Brahma is revealed. अपवाद अवस्थायाम अध्यारोप असंभवात. In अपवाद अवस्था, अध्यारोप is not possible. Then how do you say द्वयोः इति? द्वयोर इति कथम उच्यते? Purvapakshi means actually is not a Purvapakshi, because Purvapakshi may not even agree with Adhyaropa Apavad Prakriya. But Siddhanti says, Ekadeshi or some Shishya, that when you are doing Apavada, then you should not do Adhyaropa. Apavada means Nisheda of Dvaita. Then how do you accept Dvaita also at that time? Apavada avasthayam Adhyaropa asambhavat. So when you are doing Apavada, then where is Dvayoho? There is only not Dvayoho. There is no Dvaitam. It's only Advaitam. See 4 number tippani and 5 number tippani. द्वैत प्रतिषेध रूपे अस्मिन् अद्वैत प्रकरणे तथा भूते मधु ब्राह्मणे वा. In this prakarana, which is द्वैत प्रतिषेध रूप prakarana, which one? Asmin Advaita Prakarane. So this Mandukya. Or in Madhu Brahmana, where this topic comes, that the Purusha, what is there in Prithvi, same is in Sharira. What is there in Akasha is in Sharira. What is there in Vayu is in Sharira. What is there everywhere is here. In this way, when you go on seeing, Asmin Advaita Prakarane Tatha Bhute Madhu Brahmane Va. So this Madhu Brahmana, 5 number tippani, Advaita Kshayat iti. Atra Maryadam Ang iti Bodhyam. So there is a sutra on this. Anybody remembers this sutra? Ang Maryada Abhividyoho. This is the sutra. Maryada or Abhividhi. Ang Maryada Abhividyoho. 2113. There is a sutra number, you note down. Ang Maryada Vachane. 1489 and then 2113 is another sutra. What it means is this. The Ang Shabda Prayoga, when it is done, is it done including the member which is indicated by Ang or excluding the member which is indicated? That is the meaning of that sutra. Like when you say, A Brahma Bhuvana Lokaha Punaravartin Arjuna. Hey Arjuna, A Brahma Bhuvanat Lokat Punaravartanam is there. So the question is, when you say A Brahma Bhuvanat, does it include Brahmaloka for Punaravartanam, or does it exclude Brahmaloka for Punaravartanam? This is the question. So here, when it is given Maryada Vachane, means Ishadarthe Kriya Yoge cha Mabhut. It is not with that Ishad. That is where that Ang will be applied in that meaning. So the question was whether the Brahmaloka, person who goes to Brahmaloka, does he come back or does he not come back? So when you say A Brahmaloka, in which meaning you have used that A? Ang Maryada Abhividyoho. So that A is in which meaning? Maryada, this sutra number I told you. So in some places sutra number is 2114, in some places 2113. Okay. Maryada means with excluding that member, and Abhividhi means including that member. Ang iti anena Maryadam Abhividhau cha Vartamanam Panchamyantena sa Vibhasha Samsyate. Avyai Bhavasya Samasam. So Brahma, when it is said Brahmaloka, Brahmaloka is included in Punaravartanam according to Vedanta. Mimamsakas or some Upasakas, they will say, no, if you go to Brahmaloka, then there is no coming back. So this is where, so now here you see, Atra Maryadayam Aham. Here what is, in which meaning you have to use? In Maryada, not Abhividhi. Maryada means I told you where it is excluded. So this Dvayor, Advaitakshat means until Dvaitakshay. You don't have to include. And once Dvaitakshay is done, until that duality will be mentioned, not thereafter. Maryadayam Ang iti bodhyam. Further, Advaitakshat Param Brahma Prakashitam. Kva ityaha. Tika. Dvaitakshaya Paryantam. See, up to Dvaitakshaya, Brahma is revealed. Dvaitakshaya Paryantam Brahma Prakashitam. Dvayor iti punaha anuvad matram ityartha. Because Purva Pakshi said when you are doing apavada, how do you do adhyaropa? So he says, this is only anuvada. Anuvada means because Ajnani thinks there is duality. Keeping Ajnani in mind, he says, yes, dvayo. We don't want to say there is duality. What we are saying is, because you see duality, we are teaching you. So keeping you in mind, we will use your language so that you understand. We have already understood there is no dvayo. 6th number tippani. Nishedhya samarpanartham iti bodhyam. Anuvad matram means nishedhya samarpanartham. Where nishedhya vastu, see, one is nishedha, another is nishedhya. Nishedha means negation. Nishedhya means that which is negated. That which is negated, unless you mention about it, how will you do negation? So when I have to say there is only Rajju, but I will say there is no Sarpa. Nayam Sarpaha Rajjuriyam. You say, why you have to say there is no Sarpa if there is no Sarpa anyway? If there is no, do you say here there is no tiger? Do you say here there is no Ashwa? Why you have to say there is no Sarpa? Sarpa is there in your buddhi. To remove that, I have to say Nayam Sarpaha Iyam Rajju. If you did not have Bhranti, we don't have to. So Nishedhya Samarpanartham iti, that is the Anuvada. Anuvad means अज्ञानी बुद्धि अनुवाद अनुवाद मात्रम इत्यर्थ मधु ज्ञाने मधु एव प्रकाशितम न ब्रह्म इति आशंक्य somebody says wait in madhu jnane madhu is prakashitam where is brahma how did you understand madhu is brahma madhu jnane madhu eva prakashitam na brahma iti ashankya madhu jnana shabdartham vyutpadayati brahma vidyakhyam madhu amritam amritatvam modana hetutvat because amritatvam gives joy. That's why all asuras, if you see, whenever they did lot of tapas, they had only one request, one ashirvada they wanted. What is that? May I become immortal. Nobody should kill me. Actually, it is not that wonderful. If same body is there and you live in that body, it will be pathetic situation. So after some time, you cannot eat more. You cannot digest. You cannot enjoy anything. All body parts will make some sound. Kata, kata. When you stand up, you sit down, wake up. What is the use of same body? And as far as Sukshma Sharira, so Sthula Sharira, Amritatvam, you don't want. Sukshma Sharira is already, until moksha, it is going to continue. Why worry? And Atma to Amrita hai, so what is this? That's why they are asuras. They don't even know what to ask. Brahma vidyakhyam madhu amritam amritatvam modana hetutvat vijnayate yasmin iti madhu jnanam madhu brahmanam tasmin ityartha. So, what is the vyutpatti? Madhu brahmana vyutpatti is madhu vijnayate yasmin iti madhu brahmanam. Madhu vijnayate yasmin. There where madhu is revealed. Where? In madhu brahman. Now what is madhu? Madhu means amritam. Why? Because it is more than a help. It's like honey. Honey, it is a joy to eat honey. These Ayurvedic medicines, they say you have to take them with madhu or ghee. तस्मिन् इत्यर्थः टीका शब्दस्य क्वचिद् आश्रितत्वं रूपवदनम् अनुमीयते शब्दस्य क्वचिद् आश्रितत्वं रूपवत् अनुमीयते रूपवदनं वदन means रूपवत् अनुमीयते शब्दस्य आश्रितत्वं is like रूप 7 number टिप्पणी is a big tippani. We'll do later because otherwise tippani will not be over. First, let us continue further. तच्च शब्दाधिकरणं सामान्यतः सिद्धम् शब्दाधिकरणं सामान्यतः सिद्धम् पारिशेष्यात् आकाशम् इति सिद्धम् शब्दाधिकरणम् आकाश. Where is shabda located? In Akasha. How is it known? Through parishesha. Why? Because it is not there in Prithvi, Jal, Teja, Vayu. So it must be in Akasha. Tacha kalpana lagavat ekam eva iti gamyate. And to keep, whenever you do such kalpana, so you have to say, okay, how many Akasha adhikarana? Say one. Why? Because when you can do the thinking with one, you don't say 27. How many Akasha are there? You don't do any bigger kalpana. There will be Gaurava Dosh. So Lagavat, Ekameva. Lagavat, Tika, Tippani, Tathacha Lagava Rupa Tarkanugrahitam Sadanumanam Akashya Aikye Paryavasyati. Lagava Rupa Tarka Anugrahitam Sadanuman. Further in Tika, Tathacha Bahirantashya Ekameva Akasham Anumana Pramanyad Adigatam. Bahihi Antasya, outside and inside, Ekameva Akasham. This is known through Anumana Pramanya. Because it is one only, why you have to do Kalpana of many. तथा इन द सेम वे अधिदैवम अध्यात्मम च ब्रह्म प्रत्यगभूतम सिद्धम इति उत्तरार्धम व्याचष्टे. In the same way, in Adhidaiva and Adhyatma, both are Brahma alone. Just as there is one Akasha, you don't do multiple Akasha Kalpana through Anumana Pramana. In the same way, one Purusha, Purna, Brahma. Ashya, Tasmin, Madhu Brahmanam, Tasmin Ityartha. किम इव इत्याह पृथिव्याम उदरे चैव यथा एक आकाशो अनुमानेन प्रकाशितो लोके तद्वत् इत्यर्थः. Just as one akasha is anumanena prakashitah loke, in the same way one brahma is prakashitam prithivyaṁ udare chaiva tadvat ityarthah. Now let us try to see 7 number tippani. Shabdasya Shabdo Gunaha. Let us do this in the next session. I also will get some time there.
Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vivagine Vyomavad Vyaptadehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.